Umar Shoktagia Sikli Boslokno no Rompherwi te Shak Deria Khwlai mani mamlawo Bisi Nuchi bani Alongo Chopjakkha Umar Chakra Shemal Sarkar Umar Bachine Khwlai Hangor Darbar Fang Bisi Nuchi bani Alongo Chopjakkha Finka te Rangkhok Rangbachine Shai Jorimana Finka Krakshalo Patimani Yafang Unka 2021 Bisi Chidok July Shalmariwo Telemura Mohrani Pur Amchani Shemal Sarkar Amchanino Chidok Umani Siklo Bwrwi Hamjang Mungni Halok Tongkha Shakni Halok Rwkha tei Shak Deria Khwlai Rwkha Patimani Kok Nukhni Boro Sawi Manke Bwrwini Bopa Thanao mamla khnakya O mamlani Yafang Busuk Srai Sawi Khna Rwkha Kerong Thungkrung Ajit Sarkar
21, one minor girl, age about 16 years, at Mornipur, Telemura PS, was raped by his neighbor, Shamal Sarkar, who has aged about 45 years. And then on the 16/7/2021, the father of the victim, girl, lodged an affair before the Telemura PS. Accordingly, the Telemura PS record the case number TLMPS 89/21. Then police submitted charge sheet on 25/9/2021. I was Inspector Govindu Das. After a long time, prosecution has examined 14 numbers of witnesses. After recording their statement, today learned special judge Songuri Das convict sentence under section 6 of POCSO Act for 25 years sentence and fine 50,000, and under section 448 only fine 1,000 and under section 506 1,000.